Good morning, students. How are you? Welcome back to our English class. Today we are going to begin with the next chapter in our English Bal Bharati textbook, Unit 1. The next chapter is lesson number 7. Lesson number 7 is letters on a tab and a computer keyboard. Now, why are we going to study this? Because, as you know, nowadays computers, laptops, and tabs all have become indispensable. Now, what is the meaning of indispensable? We cannot stay without them. Is it not? Every time we are using a laptop or computer while we are going through the online classes. Is it not? Yes, so that is the reason why we are going to study the letters on the tab and a computer keyboard. Have you observed them any time? आपने देखा है कभी? चलो, let's see. This is a tab. Just observe the letters over here. I know these are very small. I'll just read out for you. It is, you can also see on your textbook. Okay. The same tab is given over there and the letters over there, or even on your tab if you have it. Okay. Look here. Now let's read Q W E R T Y U I O P. Okay. This, is it written like A B C D? No, na. So tab has the letters like this. And let's look here. This is a keyboard. What is this? It is a keyboard of computer. है ना? So look here again. You have the letters which are not in a proper sequence. Is it not? What is a proper sequence? Sequence means in a line. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like that. So these letters are not in a sequence. They are in some haphazard sequence. Haphazard means what? Haphazard means anyhow. कसही, कैसे भी लिखा हुआ है ना? So QWERTY, but it is same as that which you saw in the tab. Is it not? Same sequence is there. Okay. Now, why is it that it is not written there as ABCD, and why this haphazard sequence is there? Do you know? There is a story behind it. Do you want to listen to the story? Yes. Come on, I'll tell you the story. Before we had these computers and tabs, do you know what we used to use for actually printing something on the paper? There was something which is called as a typewriter. It looked something like that. Can you see over here? This, like the keyboard which you have on the computer, these were the keys of our typewriter, and when you used to press the key over here, one particular this thing used to come up and it used to hit on the paper, and then that letter used to get typed. Okay, this key was linked with that. You can see when the person is pressing the key, something is coming up. Okay, then it used to go and hit over the paper, and then the letter used to get printed or typed on the paper. Okay, now when this typewriter was invented, what happened was that the inventor, he made this keys in a proper sequence. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That way he made the keys. Then what happened? Do you know? Everybody knew the sequence. So they knew which a particular key is where. Okay. So they started typing very, very fast. And then what happened? This key which was coming up, they used to get entangled into each other. Wait, let me show you more clearly. Okay, see here. Look. See, can you now see this key? This key is coming and typing over here. Now if you type very, very fast, then what will happen? This key is there still typing, till then the other key has come up, and then it used to get entangled. What is the meaning of entangled? Entangled means अटक जाना, एक दूसरे के साथ में अटक जाना. अडकणं, एकमेकांमध्ये अडकत होत्या त्या कीज. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हॉट यूज टू हॅपन. नाव वेन दिस यूज टू हॅपन, द टाइपरायटर यूज टू गेट spoiled. They could not use the typewriter again. They had to repair it. Okay, it used to stop working, right? So now what to do? So the inventor thought, I will have to find some, if there is a problem we have to find a solution. So he started thinking, what should I do? So to reduce the speed at which the people were typing, what he did was, he invented, or he rearranged all these keys, and finally this was used as the most useful or the best possible keyboard for the typewriter. Okay, so if you see, it has QWERTY in the starting, so it is called as QWERTY keyboard. Okay, so this is the story of why all the laptops, all the computers, then all the tabs have this type of arrangement of the letters. Okay, this was found to be the best way, or the best way in which the letters could be arranged and the typewriter keys were not entangled. म्हणजे हे असे अरेंज केल्यामुळे जे टाइपराइटर कीज एकमेकांमध्ये अड़कत होते, जो एक दूसरे के साथ अटक रहे थे, वो नहीं होने लगे, क्योंकि ये सारे कीज एक दूसरे से बहुत दूर थे. दे वर वेरी फार ऑफ फ्रॉम ईच अदर, एंड it used to take a bit of time for the person to find which key is where. Okay, so that is the reason it was not getting entangled. Okay, so this is how this QWERTY keyboard came into existence. Okay, you like the story? Learned something new? Yes? Okay. Now let's move on to the home assignment. This is home assignment is an activity. Okay, now look at this particular sentence. What you have to do is, you have to type the following sentence in your parents' mobile or in the computer or laptop. Okay, it is an activity, not compulsory. कळलं, ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे, कंपल्सरी नाही आहे, बट जस्ट टू गिव अ प्रॅक्टिस ऑफ टायपिंग अँड गिव यू अ फर्स्ट हँड एक्सपिरियन्स ऑफ टायपिंग ऑन अ computer. We have given this activity. You will find this activity in the textbook also. The quick brown fox jumps over a lazy dog. Now why this sentence? Because in this sentence all the keys, all the letters from A to Z have been used. Okay, this whole sentence uses all the letters from A to Z. So it is just an activity, not compulsory. If you want, you can type it. It is to be typed in the कम्प्युटर और मोबाईल. फक्त कम्प्युटर किंवा मोबाईलमध्ये हे टाईप करून बघायचं आहे, बाकी काही करायचं नाहीये, हे पोस्ट करायचं नाहीये. यू नीड नॉट पोस्ट दिस. इट इज नॉट अन असाइनमेंट, इट इज जस्ट अन ॲक्टिव्हिटी फॉर द प्रॅक्टिस. ओके, अँड इफ यू विश आणखीन थोडीशी काही ॲक्टिव्हिटी करायची असेल, तुम्हाला वाटत असेल करावीशी, तर यू कॅन type myself on your computer, like my name is dash. So I cannot write the name, you can write your own name. I am dash years old. I am a girl. Girls will write girl, then put full stop. And I am a boy. Boys will write only boy and put a full stop. I study in first standard. My school's name is VPM's Vidya Mandir. Okay, so जस्ट अन ॲक्टिव्हिटी, ही असाइनमेंट नाही आहे. कम्प्युटरवर टाईप करायचं आहे, नोटबुकमध्ये लिहायचं नाही आहे. नो नीड ऑफ रायटिंग एनिथिंग इन युअर notebook, just an activity to be done at home on your computer or laptop or mobile. Okay, that's all for today. See you. Bye bye.